Hey guys, this is Bruce, and I just wanted to let you guys know early release. I don't know how long I'm going to have this video out, to be honest with you, because this is not for everybody. This is only for people who follow me, people who watch me. You guys are going to catch this, and by the time you guys have already reaped the rewards of what I'm about to tell you, I'll probably remove this video. But I've got another book coming out within the next few hours. Here's the book right here. What it does is it breaks down all the cybersecurity paths that you should pay attention to if you're interested in getting into this job. I'll put the link in description below. So check that out. It's going to be 99 cents right now. The price is going to go up to, I don't know, $20. Something. I don't know how much I'm going to charge for it just yet. It's not out yet. It's got to get reviewed by Amazon. I've got to do some light editing stuff. That's why I'm releasing it early, so that you guys can get your hands on it and get a lead on everything. Listen, the reason why I do this is so I can get reviews on Amazon. That's the reason why I do this. So here's what I'm offering. If you go to the link in description and you leave me a review on either this book right here that's already out, this book over here, which is How to Get Cybersecurity Jobs. If you've already bought it, even better. I need a review from you. So if you want to do this, you just go down here to reviews, or you click on the actual book. You should see book 1 and book 2 on this link that I'm going to show you. But you'll click on the book. You'll go down here, and I don't even think you have to buy it to actually leave me a review. And then you'll just go ahead and put a review right here. Write a customer review, okay? Give me a good review. Send me an email. My email's right here, contact@ConvoCourses.com, and show me that you actually did the review, and I will send you this. I'll send you access to my 4th book that I'm actually still working on, but what I did was I made a video about it. This book is called Cybersecurity Jobs Work from Home. It tells you how I've been able to work from home since 2014. I've had several jobs working from home. This is no joke. This is exactly how I've been able to do it. And in a few short videos, I explain to you exactly what you need to do, what I've done, which is work. If you're interested to work from home, I'm going to give you this for free. Okay, this isn't even released yet. I'm going to be adding to it, and I'm writing the book right now. So the book will actually be added to this right here. Now, it's going to be like a very straight to the point pamphlet, because I feel like I can teach anybody how to do this quickly. Anyway, I will give you this link for free, but you got to email me that you actually did the review. Okay, so I need to see the review from you. Here, do the review, buy the book, or you can actually just leave me a review. If you write a review and show me, hey, Bruce, I wrote you a review. Here it is right here. Here's my name there. And then email me that, and then I will give you access, free access to this course I haven't even released yet. It's going to be a course and a book, actually. And resumes. I'm still working on it. So I haven't even released it yet, but it's hidden. So I'm going to send you guys that, like a way to get this thing for free. And I just need the review. Here it is right here. So this book breaks down. It's an ebook, by the way, for right now. It's going to be a paperback book. It's going to be available. A nice cybersecurity workforce, breaks it down on the parts, and then tells you, like, here's the certifications you need. Here's the degrees you need. Here's the things that you need to know about this particular career path. See, cybersecurity is not just about hacking. It's not just about pen testing. It's not just about software engineering, right? That's one part of it, but there's a whole, that's like maybe 5% of cybersecurity. I'm breaking down everything that you need to know on cybersecurity. So if you are interested in this, you need to go ahead and act on it before I actually raise the prices on it, before it actually gets released. This is the kind of stuff I do for people who follow me on a regular basis. And if you're interested in this, you got to take action. So that's what the whole thing's about. All right, guys, that's about it. That's all I want to say. I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for the people who already been supporting me. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me and my family. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.